Having therapeutic products available for purchase before, during, or after an intensive therapy session can offer several benefits to the clients. Clients can continue their therapeutic journey beyond the intensive session by incorporating therapeutic products into their daily routines. This promotes continuity of care and supports ongoing progress between their intensive and future traditional therapy sessions or aftercare. Therapeutic products such as relaxation kits, stress relief tools, and sensory integration tools provide clients with tangible resources to support their self-care practices. These products empower clients to take an active role in managing their mental health and well-being. Intensive therapy sessions can be emotionally and mentally taxing, and having therapeutic products available for purchase provides clients with extended support beyond the session. Clients can use these products to reinforce the therapeutic techniques learned during the session and cope with challenges as they arise. Therapists can recommend specific therapeutic products based on clients' needs, preferences, and treatment goals. This allows for a customized approach to therapy that addresses clients' unique circumstances and promotes positive outcomes. Offering therapeutic products before, during, or after an intensive therapy session can increase client engagement and motivation in the therapeutic process. Having access to tangible resources reinforces the value of therapy and encourages clients to actively participate in their treatment. Therapeutic products provide clients with a convenient and accessible tool that will support their mental health and well-being. Clients can access these products at their own convenience, whether it's during the therapy or at home or on the go. Therapeutic products such as guided imagery recordings, journals, and relaxation tools can really help clients develop and strengthen their coping skills to manage stress, anxiety, and other challenges. These products offer practical strategies and techniques for navigating difficult emotions and situations. By incorporating therapeutic products into their daily routines, clients can experience long-term benefits such as improved mood, reduced stress levels, and enhanced self-awareness, as well as greater resilience. These benefits contribute to overall well-being and quality of life. Overall, having therapeutic products available for purchase before, during, or after an intensive therapy session will enhance the client's therapeutic experience, promote self-care and empowerment, and support long-term progress and well-being.